So what I have here is another awesome car mount for your phone by VICSEED. It's an easy clip car mount system, comes in a box just like you see here. Again, easy to understand instructions and also their branding of their card and also information on the back all about the company. Definitely high quality company. I use a lot of their products. I reviewed a lot of their items and they sent me this one as well to review. And so far I've been happy with all their products, super high quality items. So this is a quick clip for your vent, okay? Easy clip they call it. And this is super simple. You just put this right in your vent of your car. You just clamp it down and then you're good to go. And you just pop this on the back here, like you see here. And that is one way of using this mount. And then you have the accessibility to open and close it, just like you see here. Put your phone in, clamp it, and you're good to go. So that's not going anywhere, as you can see here. That's in there nice and tight. It's not going anywhere. And when you want to release it, you can press the button. All right, I just sometimes just keep it a little bit loose and I slide up and down myself. But this is actually on there pretty well. And you can crank this down so it'll hold it really tight. I like that. So that's one good feature. Now on this one here, this is the shock-proof one here. This is got nice rubber on it, so it helps with the shock absorption of the actual phone. Easy to open and close. Just press this button like before. You can see how it opens up and closes nice and easy. And it's got the same exact mount on it, which is easy to use. This quick mount for the vents. These mounts, I love these mounts. They're awesome. VICSEED is a really nice quality mount. I like this guys a lot, just to let you know. And we just basically attach it just like that there. And then you open it up, just like you see here. Put your phone in, tighten it up, and you're good to go. That is in there solid. That's not going anywhere. It's not moving at all. That's not going to go anywhere unless you release it, which is easy to do, just like that. Super easy, super simple. And this is a nice quality mount. I love this. My favorite mount. And this also comes with remember I was telling you before about the CD, right? So I have actually a CD player here. I'm going to show you how to install that mount too. And it's pretty easy. Let's do that right now. You pop that in, snug it up. All right, and this is the CD right here, like I was telling you. So that's easy right there. So you do is just pop this in, and you just snug it up, and you're good to go. Just like that. That is in there. Just make it tight, and that's it. Same exact thing, and you're good to go. And there's the CD mount, like I was telling you. It goes right there, just like you see. So you can do a CD mount, or you can do the vent. Whatever's easy for you. You get both clips included in this phone, and this phone holder. And so that's good options. I love that.